Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, All Things Neri. I am your girl Nira, and today I'm going to do a review on two items that I got from the Louis Vuitton store, and I'm actually going to do two videos on this. I'm just going to do the review on what I got, and then I'm going to do another video on how I converted what I bought into something else. I am waiting for two pieces to come in to do that conversion. I mistakenly ordered the wrong size to do it, so I had to return and reorder, so it should be on its way real soon. Okay, so let's get into it. So I have two items that I'm going to review from Louis Vuitton, and this is this one here, and then this right here. So let's go ahead and do the first item here. And let's see, we're gonna open up this way. We're gonna take out this, and then I guess we can put the box somewhere else. All right, we'll put the box on the floor here. Okay, so comes in a dust bag right here, and then this like so. And this is actually a gift receipt, and I did buy this at the Louis Vuitton store. And so the reason why I had a gift receipt is because when I go into the store, I always tell them, I don't tell them I'm buying something for myself. I always tell them that I am buying a gift for someone. Because when I do go in there and I have gone in just for myself to buy something, they try to sell you and show you everything. She's like, oh my gosh, I see you have gold on, blah, blah, blah. She's trying to sell me a freaking one earring for $995. And I was like, oh no, I'm just here. It's a gift. I'm here just to get the gift that I need to get and get out of here. So that's my trick that I do when I go in there, because they can have you in there for about an hour, and I already knew exactly what I wanted. I just wanted to go in and go out. I had to wait in line for about 50 minutes. It was a long line. I should have made an appointment, but I went in the middle of the day, and I did not think that there would be that many people in the mall, or there in the store. So yeah, I waited about a good 50 minutes. There were 8 people ahead of me. So anyhow, let's get into the goods. So this is what I have here, and this is the Nice Mini. Okay, and you hold it like so. And I actually wanted to do a comparison of the Nice Mini and the Nice Nano, because I didn't know what size I wanted to get. So they did not have the Nano, but she told me that it was really small, and that I would, well, not me, but the person who I was buying it for, basically she told me that this would be a perfect size. Then other one was just really small. So this is a vanity case. Okay, so it just opens up like so, and then here is the inside of the bag. And the inside of the bag is, I don't know if it's leather but it's not a cloth material. So this is what's inside. And this is cleanable, wipeable. You can wipe it up if something gets spilled on here, because like I said, this is a vanity case. And then there is, this little slit here. And then this is just, it just says the price. Oh no, this one doesn't have the price. It just says what it is. I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. And I'll put those back in here. And let's see, the leather is really nice and soft. I thought it was going to be hard and stiff because it was a vanity case, but it's actually really nice and soft. And I also thought that the zipper would kind of be really hard to maneuver, open back and forth, because my sister has she has something similar. I don't know the name of the purse, but it is the Epi leather, and it is a like cylinder purse. And she just says she always carries it like so, but she says that it's like just so hard opening. And actually this one is not hard opening. So that's what I was really, really glad to find out. Okay, so this bag, actually I have the receipt in my other purse. So, and I shouldn't say bag, but this vanity case was $9.45, and it came up to $1,032.51. You guys can see up close. There you go. Okay, so anyhow, we'll put that back here in case I always keep my receipts and stuff like that in case I want to sell my bags. I do sell bags when I want something that's like kind of expensive and I want to get some money to go towards it. So I'll tend to sell some things that I don't use anymore. Okay, so this is the bag. Okay, so what I am going to do is I am going to use this bag like a purse. Okay, so what I purchased was 2 small little D-rings that will attach here, and I will use a strap to wear it as a crossbody or over the shoulder. I purchased a gold chain that will connect to the little D-rings here, and I can wear it like so. I can also use the strap from my other bag, which I will show you. I can use that as well. I have a couple straps that I can use to make this a crossbody. And let's go and show what fits inside here, what I can fit inside here. I'm using my phone to record, so my phone obviously you won't be able to, you won't see the phone inside, but you can fit quite a bit of stuff in here. So this is my toiletry bag, okay? And this fits perfectly in here. And as you can see, you still have more room. I'm gonna put some other items in here. So I am going to put my Rosalie wallet, okay? I can fit that in here like so. And I still have room. I'm going to put in my, this is a 6 D-ring, not D-ring, a 6-ring, what do you call it, key thing, a key holder. All right, so I can put that inside like so, and I still have room. I can put sunglasses, I can put my phone, I can put like some hand sanitizer, or some other stuff, but I don't want to make this bag heavy, okay? So I really probably would only have in here my phone, my my key rings, and my wallet, and that's it. So this is how it is with all the stuff in it. It's pretty heavy, and if I'm wearing crossbody, I don't want this thing like really hard, like pulling on my shoulder and stuff. So what I'll do is I will take out this because I don't need to carry that with me. And I'm just really into small little mini bags now, and this is going to be perfect for the way that I want to wear it. Now, if I'm going out to dinner or something like that, or I'm going to somewhere fancy or whatever, and I want to use this, I'm not a really big clutch carrier, so, but I would definitely just wear this like so, and just hold it in my hand, like, hold it like that. So, I really like this. I'm really happy with this purchase. So this is the current purse that I'm that I was using, and this one, oh, here's my lottery ticket from the Mega Lotto, and I did not win. What was it, 99.99 whatever billion dollars, but we didn't win. But anyhow, so this is the double zip bag. And it's this on this side, and then like so on the other side, and there's a little opening right here. And this bag, the only thing I can keep in here is just my my wallet, my key thing, and then I put my phone right here. But like I was saying, I can take these strap off here, and I don't want to, some people will like, you know, kind of pry this onto here, but I don't want to mess up the leather. But anyhow, I could do, I'm gonna basically put it on here on the D-rings, and it will, I can wear it crossbody. I can also use the strap to my Matisse, and I can take this one off, and I can interchange this, and I could wear this like so here. Okay, so let me show you another accessory that I bought to go. So this is my accessory here that I bought, and I most likely will be using this not for its intended purpose, because what you use this for, let's pull this out. Does it want to come out? Okay, so I bought a bandeau, and it is in this graffiti print. Oh my gosh, is this not beautiful or what? Okay, and then on this side it goes like that, and then on this side it has the what do you call it, the graffiti print. So some people, they will wear it like around their neck like a scarf, and they tie it like so, and then they just have it hanging like that. I would not wear that like that. I will most likely wear it as a headband, because you guys know I love my headbands. Could wear it on this side here, but the main purpose of this is to put on your bag. So let me put that over there. So I have to go online and look to see how this is done. This may not be the one that you actually wrap around, so I'm not a Louis Vuitton expert and know that what everything goes to where, but this one is, there's one that's a little smaller one, and I think that one is for your bags, and it's like maybe about half the size or whatever. But anyhow, you can wrap this around your bags like so, on the handle or whatever. That's not what I'm going to use mine for. Mainly bought it for what do you call it, to wear as a headband. But yeah, but a lot of people go ahead and wrap it around all the way around. And I have another smaller one like this one, and I did wrap it around here, and then I connected my straps to this purse. I connected it there, and that's how I saw that. I did like to wear it crossbody like so, and it will just hang here. So I can't wait to get my what do you call it, my chains in, the D-rings and then the gold chain to wear it like so. And I'm going to use that gold chain to either to wear on this bag as well. So I just love these colors. So when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have this. And this scarf was $195, I want to say, and then plus tax it was $211.90 something. And then this is just, that doesn't have the price on there. And then I'm just gonna put it in my box. But yeah, so these are my two items that I've purchased. I didn't purchase, actually. My husband bought them for me because I'm so deserving of it. And yeah, so I do want to get another bandeau. I have my eyes set on another one that I want to get, and I'll just buy that for myself. But I guess this was somewhat of my Christmas present. I didn't get a Christmas present because my husband wanted to get matching bands, ring bands on our, what do you call it, on our ring finger or whatever. But I told him I would rather prefer to have a bag than a ring. I would get more wear of it. I don't normally wear my, what do you call it, my wedding ring, because I work in the medical field, and I had actually threw my ring in the garbage can. It came off in a glove, and luckily I went back to the garbage can and the ring was still there inside the glove. So ever since then I just stopped wearing my ring, and I only put it on when I not notice, but sometimes I'll put it on the weekends and stuff like that. But I really don't, wear it all that much. Maybe if it was a band, I probably would wear it. So I may still tell him after he's already bought me this that I do want to get the matching wedding bands or whatever. His friend is a jeweler, so we were gonna go there and get, I guess, some special rings done, but whatever. But like I said, I would prefer to have this. There's one more bag that I do want to get, and I'm gonna save up for that. I don't think he's gonna buy me another bag, but it is a Palm Spring mini backpack, and I really want that. So that's gonna probably be my next purchase. I'm going to stop shopping and buying all this bullshit that I don't need, so I can get that. Bag. I really, really want it. I tried it on in the store, and I definitely want it. I want it. So that's my next thing that I do want to buy, and I'm gonna save up for it. Okay, I may work maybe a couple of extra hours a day so I could like really get it faster. But anyhow, what you call it, that's what I want next. So I hope you guys enjoyed my review of my niece mini, and I'm going to do a follow-up video with the conversion of putting the D-rings on and the string, not the string, the what do you want to call it, the gold chain. I'm really excited about that. I think it comes tomorrow, so if it does come tomorrow, I'm going to do a follow-up video. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope this was helpful to you guys. I know in other reviews people do all the measurements of the bag and all that other stuff, but if you're want to wear your bag as a crossbody, and you're like about my size, I would definitely go for the mini. The nano is probably like this, so basically the width would be like this and then only like this size, and I don't know how much stuff you could get in there. I haven't seen it in person. I think I will still go make my way to go look at it for comparisons, just to see. I'll probably bring this with me just in case I somehow fall in love with the little mini one. The mini one is only $720, so that's not bad. And I think this was a good price for this one. It wasn't that expensive. I mean, it was $1,000. I mean, hey, Louis Vuitton holds their value. Like, I've sold, you know, bags and I've gotten like some good money. So I'm not going to say it's an investment, but I mean, you know, if you need to get, you know, some money, you can definitely sell your bags and get some money back from them. But anyhow, that's going to end my video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.